Realme has just announced the GT8 in China. The series will include the GT8 and the GT8 Pro. The Realme GT8 will be available in navy, white, and green. Standard GT8 will have a quite similar camera module to the GT8 Pro. The camera island isn't customizable, so you better pick the one you like up front. Realme has also partnered with Ricoh GR to fine-tune the cameras on the GT8 series. The Realme GT8 could sport a 50MP main sensor, likely the Sony LYT700, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 50MP 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. For selfies, there will be a 16MP front-facing camera. The Realme GT8 has 6.6-inch 2K 144Hz flat LTPO OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. On the performance side, the phone will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, run on the next generation Realme UI 7 based Android 16. The device will pack a massive 7000 mAh battery with 100W charging. The GT8 starts at 2,899 yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.